Hear my words and bear witness to my vow. Night gathers and now my watch begins. It shall not end until my death. I shall take no wife, hold no lands, father no children. I shall wear no crowns and win no glory. I shall live and die at my post. I am the sword in the darkness. I am the watcher on the walls. I am the shield that guards the realm of men. I pledge my life and honour to the night's watch for this night and all nights to come. The sworn brothers of the night watch take an oath to pledge their lives to protect the seven kingdoms and guard the realms of men from the terrors that lurk beyond the massive and ancient ice barrier known as the Wall. They face the frozen wasteland, which legends say is filled with wildlings, giants and the terrifying forces of the Night King and the long night he brings. They are the swords in the darkness and the watchers on the wall. Oban sits beneath the steep cliff that overlooks the bay in the frontier between the West Highlands and the islands, separating the land and sea, just as Castle Black sits between Westeros and what lies beyond the wall. This liquid's richness is balanced with a woody, spicy dryness that could undoubtedly keep the Night's Watch warm on even the coldest nights. So let's try a very small sample of this Game of Thrones Special Edition Oban Bay Reserve Single Malt Whisky. As we pull it out, we see a dark black bottle with Oban Bay Reserve written on it and Game of Thrones The Night's Watch. Oh. And it's also got the words on there for the oath. Oh. Let's get the glass with the ice in. Oh, that smells bloody beautiful. Let's have a small taster. Oh, we don't want to waste this. We will save this for special occasions, and that special occasion will be once a week when we watch Game of Thrones. Oh, what a beautiful smell. Oh. I detect. Wait for this train to go past. I detect hints of autumn sunrise mixed with dark undertones of the Dark Watch's belly of. Can't really explain it. It does have the spicy woody dryness like it says on the box, and it probably will definitely keep me warm on cold nights, although it is nearly spring now, but it is almost time for the Game of Thrones final season to start. So we'll just have one more little try, see what it's like again. I'll just see if I can get It does definitely have an oaky undertone, I'll tell you that much for nothing. And very like woody sort of oaky undertone, with a slight bit of smoke in there as well. It's a very, very well balanced single malt whiskey. I do like it. I would highly recommend it. And if you do want a bottle, it is, well, I tell you where I got this bottle from. I've just come back from Scotland on the plane, and I was there and I was walking past looking at it and I thought, oh look, Game of Thrones limited edition whiskey, that sounds good, that does. And then this like Scottish bloke was saying, oh yes, it's got good undertones of like spicy woody, not too smoky, just like, oh yes, do you like that? So he goes, and I was like, no, I was going to say no, he goes, but do you want a taste? I went, oh, you got me now, I want a taste. So I had a little taste, like, yeah, I want some of that. How much was it? £59. £59, but I looked on Amazon and it was 60 something. I thought, bloody hell. Anyway, if you do want some of this, I'll be saving this for special occasions once a week while I'm watching Game of Thrones. But if you do want some, it is on Amazon as a pre-order only, but it'll be out in June, I think. So you can pre-order on Amazon now. If you check my link in the description, you might be able to get it before anyone else, and the price might change and go down, I don't know. But yeah, it's slightly more expensive on Amazon than it was in the airport. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.